This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Google Pixel phone if you forgot the password. So I'm going to turn it off by holding down the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now when the phone is turned off and it's restarting, I'm going to switch to the power button and the volume down button. So this is going to restart now. I'm going to switch to volume down, power button, hold both those down now, and continue to hold it down, and eventually this little screen will pop up. So it might take about 10 to 15 seconds, and I don't see any kind of boot indications or anything like that. So I'm just going to continue to hold this down, and it should pop up. So maybe a little bit longer than 10 to 15 seconds. Now when we get to this point, scroll on down using the volume button, and I'm going to go to the recovery mode, and then hit power. Now once in the recovery mode, it's going to say something, no command. Just hold down the power button, tap the volume up button. Now we finally have the options on here to go to factory reset, wipe data. So we can scroll on in here and then just use the volume up key and down key to navigate, and then press power to select. So let's go to volume down. Go on over to wipe data, factory reset. This will wipe the phone data, and then it will remove your password too. So if you ever forgot that, it's going to get rid of all your data, but you can still use your phone. You just have to sign back in. So choose that option, and hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.